What if a single push-up in a 99-degree room didn't just feel harder, but actually changed how your body burns fat, builds strength, and fires up your brain? What if science said more heat equals more transformation? I'm Gina, founder and lead instructor of Hot Asana Yoga Studio in Wichita, and this is Melt, Hot Yoga, Hot Takes, where we fuse strength, sweat, and science. And today, we're unlocking Strength 30, our shortest class with the biggest neurological and metabolic payoff. Picture this. You walk into our heated studio. It's 99 degrees. Your mat is down. Your instructor says 30 seconds of push-ups. Suddenly, your heart rate spikes. Not just from the move, but the heat. What's happening beneath the surface? Your mitochondria, the power plants in your cells, are multiplying. Your circulation is increasing. Your nervous system is recalibrating under pressure. You're not just working out, you're upgrading your operating system. Strength 30 is the anti-burnout workout. No fluff, no cardio chaos. Just body weight resistance plus heat equals total transformation. And the research? It's wild. A study in Cell Metabolism found that pairing heat exposure with movement improved metabolic efficiency by up to 20% in just 8 weeks. That's not marginal. That's revolutionary. And unlike combo classes, Strength 30 isolates one system, your strength system. Here's what makes it different. Pillar 1, master your movement. The heat forces precision. Sloppy reps, they don't survive here. Every push-up becomes an intentional act. That's where real strength is built, through focus, control, and form under stress. Pillar 2, break your barriers. Whether you're holding your first plank or mastering L-sits, the heat adapts with you. It's resistance training without the need for weights. Just you versus you. Pillar 3, forge mental fire. Here's where it gets fascinating. Researchers call it stress inoculation, training your nervous system to stay focused under pressure. Over time, this rewires your brain for resilience. You're literally building stress resistance while holding a side plank. That's not just fitness. That's transformation. Heat shock proteins get activated, boosting muscle repair. Plasma volume increases by up to 7%. Hello, stronger cardiovascular output. Fat oxidation improves by up to 25%. And yes, progressive push-up training in heat rivals the bench press in strength gains and muscle thickness. But my favorite part, when you finish that 30-minute Strength 30 class, your metabolism doesn't stop. You've created a post-class metabolic ripple effect that lasts for hours. We're talking enhanced mitochondrial function, elevated growth hormone, better glucose control, fat burning that stays on. But this goes beyond physical. Holding a perfect plank while your body's in a heat wave, that's where you develop grit. That's where you realize you don't need more time. You need more precision and the right stimulus. Strength 30 is your weekly strength anchor. Hot Yoga Inferno is your sprint. Hot Yoga Fit is your metabolic finisher. Hot Yoga Fundamentals is your foundation. Together, they're your training ecosystem designed to help you move better, live stronger, and feel unstoppable. So ready to feel the science? Join us every Saturday at 9:45 a.m. at Hot Asana Yoga Studio at our West Wichita location. Come experience the class for yourself. Check out the full schedule of classes at wichitahotyoga.com. For the full science breakdown, read the blog at wichitahotyoga.com/blog/strength30. This is Melt, Hot Yoga, Hot Takes, more than just a hot room, where science meets sweat, and both your body and mind level up. See you in the heat.